Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to schedule a campaign within Talkable. So let's say your campaign's all built, your integration's good to go, and you're ready to launch a campaign with Talkable. However, you want to add some sort of delay. For instance, if I've decided that I want to launch this campaign tonight at midnight to make sure that my traffic on my site is low, I can go ahead and do that within Talkable by pre-scheduling these campaigns. Another reason you may want to do this is if you have a developer team located outside of your home country, they're on a different time zone, and you want to launch it during business hours for them so that they can QA immediately. First things first, though, let's go ahead and verify the time zone setting for your Talkable site. So you're going to go into Menu, and you're going to click Account Settings. From here, you'll see right here, time zone set to Pacific time. I'm located here in San Francisco, so that's correct. The reason you want to check this, of course, is if you schedule a campaign to go live on a certain date and time, you want to make sure it's on the date and time that you intended it to be. So I'll go ahead and just save those changes, make sure that's all set. Then I'm going to go back to campaigns. So let's say I want to launch this Invite standalone campaign, click into it, just double check that that's the campaign I want to launch. This is all a test campaign, so you're seeing a lot of default values here, but let's say this is good to go. I've QA'd it, and I want to go ahead and select Launch Campaign. So we can ignore these since we know it's a test campaign. That's why I'm getting these errors. But see here, I've got campaign activation. So this is going to be the day and time that I want to schedule a campaign for. So I'm going to go ahead and select today, the 5th, and let's say I want to do it tonight at 23:59. So that'll be 11:59 this evening. Again, I know it's going to be in Pacific time. And that's it. You can also set up campaign expiration if you wanted the campaign to deactivate at a certain time. Let's say this was a short-term promo campaign and I only wanted it to be live for 5 days. I could go ahead and put something in here. But in this case, I want the campaign to be an evergreen campaign. It's going to run for as long as I want it to, so I'm just going to activate it. So I'm going to select Launch Campaign. Again, since this is a test site, no integration is currently found, but I'm going to just override that and click Launch Now. So you'll see the status has changed up here in the top right corner to status scheduled. I can also verify by going back out to the campaigns tab and seeing again, scheduled campaign starts June 5th at 11:59 Pacific time. And again, you can confirm there that the time zone you've set is correct. And that's it. I can rest assured now that tonight at 11:59 my campaign is going to go live. I'll have other plans, probably be sleeping, but you can know if you've got that QA team, as I mentioned, somewhere else in the world that they'll be checking it for you. Thanks so much for listening.